I cannot get over this weather, by the way.
It is cray.
This is
American.
amazing. Absolutely amazing.
This is like
This is fucking
Superstorm.
insane.
We don't get this here
This is
usually.
a
Severe thunderstorm.
thunderstorm.
It's usually a yellow warning on the Weather Channel in America, like a little yellow square thing showing you where the thing is for severe thunderstorms. But this is absolutely mental. Usually we'd get a red one next to it if there was going to be a risk of a tornado as well. But I tell you what, the way this light show has been going reminds me very much of the first day I landed in Denver. I went back to Boulder. I went to the Golden Buff Hotel. We spent the first night just chilling in the swimming pool, and we could see a light show going on in the background, mostly around probably the surrounding area of Boulder, but it was so crazy. And I thought, wow, this is American style thunderstorm, but we're in Scotland. This is Glenrothes. This is totally different. It's unusual for us to have weather like this, so severe. We're just not used to it. But there we go.